Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2015 C-Max Hybrid SE in Tectonic Metallic, or brown. It has black cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a hatch. It has a 2-liter front-wheel drive engine. It's an automatic, and it's a hybrid, which means that it uses both a battery and traditional fuel. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, and your lighting controls are located here. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, and as well, it's going to let you know that it's ready to drive, and there's also a menu, and that's because it's so quiet that it's letting you know that it is ready to drive. And let's go into the menu. And so we have display trip, information, settings, and these all have submenus. On the right, you're seeing the efficiency leaves, and that shows you how well you're doing in your driving, but also where your battery's at. In the center, you have your display screen, and it's got the temperature outside, the time, and it also will show you your media choices of AM, FM, as well as CD player, which you're seeing there, and there's all the controls located there for your volume, turning on and off your radio, and so forth. There's your hazard lights, and down below there's dual climate control for driver and passenger. As well, you have your AC and max AC, and you have your front defrost located here, automatic shifter. As well, you've got heated seats for driver and passenger and 12 volt. There's a couple of cup holders, and your emergency parking brakes right beside you. You also have an armrest that opens up, and inside there's a little bin. You can take that out. You've got lots of room down below. You've got a USB and auxiliary line in, as well as a 12 volt. You just pop that back in. Off to the side is your glove compartment. Up above is a manually dimming rear view mirror. Here's your sunglass holder, and in the ceiling is where your dome lighting is. And you also have a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. 17-inch wheels, body-colored door handle, keyless entry keypad. In the back, you have a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper. And then when you're ready to open up that hatch, you can do so by double-clicking your fob. It releases it for you, and then you just put your hand underneath the Ford badge here, and it'll lift right up. Inside, it's nice and roomy. You've got that tonneau cover that comes across and little bins off to the side, as well as hooks, and you also have all-weather mats. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right. Simply put your hand in, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Easily bring down the headrest with a push of a button, and then you pull the lever at the base of the seat, and it'll bring it right down for you. You now have access to the back cargo area. You're seeing those all-weather mats, tonneau cover, and on the back you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats. Easily lift the seat back up with a push, and push back up the headrest. In the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders, slim pockets on the back of the front seats, and on the floor you have these little bins that you can open up and store things. In the center, there's air vents, as well as a 110 outlet, and up above, hooks and handles, as well as lighting. Passenger side fuel cap, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.